Welcome back to Chart with Doc Chart. So I am your host for today.
I am a Doctor of Education, a registered psychometrician, and a millennial CEO.
This is Doc Chart, and for another episode ng ating vlog, andito tayo for a brand new year, bagong taon, no, kung saan I hope na maganda ang pasok ng new year for everyone, no. And marami siguro sa inyo ang nag-goal setting for now, no. Madami ang iniisip how they will plan their 2024, paano ito sisimulan at paano ito tatapusin. Madaming aspeto ng buhay natin, like yung mga personal goals natin, mga finances natin, for the parents alike, no? Sa mga mommies at saka mga daddies na katulad ko. Siguro ngayon, nagpaplano na rin tayo kung saang school natin dadali ng mga anak natin, especially and particularly dun sa mga new parents, no? Yung mga bagong parents pa lang na magpapaaral ngayon. And for this episode, no, naisip kong gumawa ng content about the SRK distance education, no. Give us some time for you to be able to play this content, no, para ma-present naman namin yung ano yung mga strength, no, at saka kung ano yung mga advantage when you will be enrolling to SRK distance education program, especially dun sa mga families na nandito sa Middle East, no. Alam ko that the cost of education still soaring. No, talagang lumalaki ang cost ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino dito sa Middle East, particularly dito sa UAE, especially in terms of education. Pero right after pandemic, nakita natin talaga that it's very important, no, na yung mga bata ay kasama natin dito habang nagtatrabaho tayo. Most of the parents would understand that the reason why we are here is because of family. Diba? Kaya nga tayo nagtatrabaho dito para sa pamilya. Yun yung reason ng ibang mga parents. Kaya talagang gusto nilang madala yung mga anak nila dito. So, I'm calling all the Filipino parents. Nakapag-decide na ba kayo kung saan ninyo i-enroll ang mga anak ninyo sa susunod na academic year? So, if not, let me share a glimpse and a brief background about distance education program ng SRK. So, for this episode, no, nakaka-excite kasi nag-invite tayo ng mga subject matter expert ng SRK. No? These young, lovely ladies have been with me for the past 4 or 5 years. Yung iba, no? Yung isa dito ay talagang from the very start na sinimulan ko yung program, kasama ko na from the very first school year that we have for SRK. And nandito sila for us to be able to introduce yung SRK Distance Education Program as I mentioned. So sila yung sasagot sa ilan sa mga tanong na siguro naglilinger sa mga isip natin. What are the advantages? What are the legalities ba nitong SRK Distance Education Program? How we are able to bring forth the most affordable yet quality education in the last 5 years para sa mga kabataang Pilipino dito sa UAE at sa Middle East. Okay, so sige, without further ado, I am introducing, first, I would like to call and for her to say hi and hello to everyone, no, our Assistant Vice President and concurrently the Acting Chief Operating Officer of the SRK Education Group International. She is a licensed professional teacher by profession, and she was also having under her belt applied behavior analysis certification, and she was the first principal ng arguably the first Filipino curriculum nursery schools dito sa capital ng UAE. So let me call Teacher Joji Mi Baslot.
Hi, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, SRK community. Yeah, I am Miss Joji. Welcome to this vlog and thank you for the invitation, Dr. Richard.
Yes. Second on the list is, of course, the Assistant Vice President, part of the Executive Committee rin ng ating SRK Education Group International. And she's concurrently heading the Research and Development and also the head of preschool and primary department. No, she's very important figure among the leaders in SRK as she is heading the biggest group, no, ng mga teachers at saka mga trainers sa aming institution. None other than Miss Vanessa Van Duro, who is also a licensed professional teacher.
Thank you so much, Sir Richard. Hello, SRK community, and welcome to Sir Richard's vlog for today.
Thank you, Miss Van. And of course, the last but definitely not the least, no, the most senior employee and staff who has been with me since August of 2019, no, nung tinayo talaga yung distance education program natin when we finally open it up. Okay, so she's currently the academic director for one of our branches, which is the Innovation Hub, and she's also the head of intermediate and high school department for SRK Distance Education Group International. She's a licensed professional teacher and also a registered psychometrician by profession. None other than Miss Mary Grace Lavilla.
Good morning, good afternoon. Kung nasaan man kayo, hello to all the viewers of Dr. Richard's vlog. I hope na marami kayong matutunan sa amin para sa episode na to.
Okay. So, umpisahan natin yung question, ladies. No? Gusto kong malaman muna, how were you able to get to know SRK? Paano kayo napadpad dito sa parte ng mundo na to? Bakit kayo nandito ngayon working in the same passion and goals that we have for our institution? Let me start with Miss Van.
Alright, it was back last year 2020 at the height of about to start pa ng pandemic. So I was looking for a school, but then at that time school were closing, no. So I tried to ask some questions. Nag-chat ako kay Sir Richard doon sa Facebook, and then may nag-send ako ng message because I have two girls, I have two daughters, and then kailangan ko silang ipat. Okay, so then it started from that one, and then he asked me to, then I also informed him to Dr. Richard na I'm also a licensed teacher and currently in a same training center at the time. So then chika-chika ko. And then after nun, he called me back and then asked me if I wanted to join the organization. So here I'm right now, happy, and satisfied joining with the team. Okay, so
Yeah, thank you, Miss Van. Yeah, Miss Georgie, what is the story behind why you are here?
Actually, same with Miss Van, as a mom, I searched for SRK kasi someone told me na I was really searching for a training center sa aking maliit. Zoe, that was, I think, 5 years old pa nung time na yon. 4 years old. And then I was looking for a school, no, yung time na yon. And then someone suggested, look for SRK, visit SRK. So, nag-try akong pumunta ng SRK, and then nakausap ko nga nung si Miss Charlotte, siya pa yung nasa reception nung time na yon, no. She was very accommodating the time. And then, one of my colleague before, no, she told me na, try mong mag-apply. Nung time na yun kasi, sir, ako ay nag-work sa international school that time, no. Nasa field naman ako ng ABA nung time na yon, as shadow teacher. So, yan, nag-try ako mag-work at bumalik sa teaching profession. Was able to had my interview schedule with Dr. Richard. I think that was September of 2019. No, after that interview, tinawagan na niya agad ako na bumalik the following day. Nagsabi na ako, naikwento ko na yung history ko talaga, no. Bumalik ako the following day with Ma'am Frances joining us for the second interview, and then after 2 days, I started na my career with SRK.
Wow. Miss Grace, alam ko medyo comedy yung pag-join mo sa SRK.
Actually, among the three of us, ako lang yung single. Kasi sila both...
Nakakatawa yun?
Hindi nga, sir. Pero actually, kasi both of them, yung main factor is their kids. No? They're looking for a school na magkikater ng mga anak nila. But for my part kasi, I'm single that time. Still single up to this day, no? Pero nung nag-apply kasi ako sa SRK, actually nagising lang ako isang Sabado na meron akong nakitang hiring. I was new in UAE, by the way, like 2 weeks lang ako during that time. 2 weeks pa lang ako sa UAE. Then I saw this hiring post. Tapos nag-apply ako, nag-send ako sa WhatsApp at saka sa email. Dalawa yung pinag-sendan ko. And surprisingly, after like 5 minutes lang ata or wala pang 5 minutes, nag-reply. Kung sino man yung humahawak ng WhatsApp number na yon.
It was me.
Yeah.
By the way.
So it was Sir Richard. Ang sabi, I think that's 12 noon. As in, kagigising ko lang, tanghali na ako nagigising that time kasi wala pa akong work noon. So, ang sabi, can you come around 1 o'clock in the afternoon for an interview? Talagang na-shock ako. As in, sabi ko, possible ba yon? Like, after sending your CV, meron talagang magpapatawag ng interview. And then, syempre, dahil curious din tayo, so we went to the location sa first branch namin, which is the ADCP Tower B in Electra. Sa mga dati na po nakakaalam sa amin, no, yun po ang first branch talaga ni SRK sa Mezzanine 3. Pagpasok ko sa Mezzanine 3, parang hindi pa po ako pinagbubuksan ng pinto noon kasi wala pa halos talagang tao. Akala ko nga hindi talaga ako matutuloy sa interview. But marami akong nakita sa totoo lang. Hindi ko na i-mention, pero marami akong nakita sa loob na talagang kakaiba. And then, nag-proceed kami sa interview. Ang sabi lang sa akin ni Sir Richard, pumasok ka na lang sa Monday. Without knowing pa talaga the whole thing, no? Talagang pumasok ka lang sa Monday and then dun mo malalaman. So, come Monday, July 29 ata yun, if I'm not mistaken, or 28, I'm not sure anymore, no? Pumasok talaga ako without any idea kung ano ba itong napasok ko. But you know what? Sa mga viewers po, doon sa panahon na nag-start ako sa SRK, talagang nakita ko kung saan talaga kami nagsimula na kung ano po yung mga nakikita nyong sabihin nating bongga or magaganda ngayon sa SRK, wala po kami niyan noon. Pero naitawid po namin yan mula sa umpisa at talagang masasabi ko na yung training dito sa SRK, hindi lang po sa mga students natin, but also for the teachers or trainers na mga na-hire, iba po talaga. So, I can truly say na si SRK po, first job ko to sa UAE. I'm still here.
Yeah, 5 years down
And
the road.
yeah,
no?
gearing towards my 5th year na po sa SRK this 2024. Yun lang.
Yeah, thank you very much for those wonderful introduction. Okay, so sige, thank you very much, Miss Grace. No, napakaganda nung kwento na yon. No? Talagang I still can vividly recall how those scene, no, progress from those humble beginnings that we have from the first 100 square meter property na meron tayo sa ADCP Tower B down to occupying here, this one, itong kinauupuan natin, no, who would have imagined na magkakaroon tayo ng ganito kagandang boardroom.
Yes.
During that time na nagsisimula tayo with our journey with SRK. Okay? So, I would like to ask this question to Miss Grace muna, being the senior member of SRK Education Group International Leadership Team. Paano ba talaga nagsimula yung SRK Distance Education? At para kanino natin to ini-offer talaga from the start?
Yes. Thank you, Sir Richard, for that question. Actually, si SRK, nag-start talaga to kasi product ito ng inatinan ni Sir Richard noon, no? It's called Ateneo Leadership and Social Enterprise. Right, sir? Na parang program siya under Ateneo. Tapos, kailangan meron silang maging output para siyang business proposal, no? Kailangan meron silang maging output. And fortunately, si Sir Richard talagang ibang mag-isip si Sir Richard eh. Hindi siya nag-iisip ng isang business para lang sa kanya. Okay? Naisip niya to para kay Inigo, his first child, no? Si Inigo yung una niyang naisip na kailangan maibigay niya to sa anak niya. Pero hindi lang kay Inigo, pati doon sa iba pang mga kabataang Pilipino na nandito sa UAE. So, ito po yung product na tinatawag ng pinasukan ni Sir Richard na training niya sa Ateneo. And yung ating SRK Distance Education, kinikater po niya talaga is yung mga kabataan na nandito specifically sa Abu Dhabi nung simula. Okay, nung sobrang nagsisimula pa lang po tayo, no, Abu Dhabi lang po ang kaya nating ma-reach out, specifically for the Filipino community. Sabi nga ni Sir Richard sa amin noon, hindi ka lang gagawa ng isang negosyo para kumita ka. Kailangan yung negosyo mo is something na parang mag-give back din to your community, which is very close to our hearts, no, sa puso ni Sir Richard, is the Filipino community. Tulong po sa mga magulang na, syempre, alam naman natin na gusto nilang makapiling yung mga anak nila, pero ang mahal kasi ng pagpapaaral, lalo na sa mga, sabihin nating international school. Kaya talagang naisip ni Sir Richard tong SRK, hindi lang para sa anak niya, kundi para sa Filipino community.
Yes, I can still remember yung ating mission natin noon would only cater to the Filipino kids in
Yes.
Abu Dhabi, di ba?
Yes.
Now, getting towards the globe na, di ba?
Yeah.
So, thank you very much for that, Miss Grace. And for Miss Georgie naman, gaano na kalaki in terms of number of students at ilang taon na nag-ooperate tong SRK Distance Education Middle East natin sa ngayon?
Yes, sir. No? In terms of numbers, we have almost 1,500 enrolled students in total across the UAE. No? So regarding naman the operational tenure, sir, we're approaching na our 5th year milestone this year. Congratulations in advance to all the people behind the success of SRK, especially Dr. Richard and Ma'am Frances po. No?
Naalala ko, Miss Georgie, no, you mentioned about the number, 1,500. We started with like around 200 students, no?
Like,
Parang ganyan.
roughly around 200,
students
yes,
when we
sir.
started.
Abu Dhabi.
Yeah, and I can remember, nag-progress siya the time na nagkaroon pa ng pandemic, no? Nung
Yes.
time ng pandemic,
Nag-boom,
oo. Nung time ng pandemic, instead na magsara tayo, because that is the worry of most of the school, but nung time na yon, no, blessing in disguise, I know for a fact that pandemic was really a challenge for some, or for most of the people during that time. But for us, medyo natuwa po kami during the pandemic kasi yun yung time na nag-boom talaga yung programs. Why? Because our program is pandemic-proof. That's what I told you before, no? Talagang yung program natin ay naka-design na parang pwede talaga siya for distance di ba? And nung time na yun talaga yung nag-boom yung mga online schools, yung mga homeschooling, no? Napakadaming mga ganyan. That has been our product na mga programs natin just before the pandemic, right? Yeah, for Miss Ba naman, how does the distance education work? Paano ba gumagana yung distance education?
Yeah. For SRK, since it's not a traditional school, but rather a training center that provides additional support, like the supplementary learning through tutorial sessions. So for learners, these are possibly affiliated with our partner school in the Philippines, such as the Angela Gilbert Christian Academy in Rodriguez, Rizal. We also have the JRSS, which is a Lasallian school supervised in San Pedro, Laguna. We also have the VECC, the Victory Elijah
Christian
College, which is located in Antipolo City. And we also have the St. Paul University in Manila. Okay, these are our partner school. And we also offer the SRK Texas for learners that would like to follow the US curriculum. So with these options, we were able to provide a high quality of delivering education and instructions seamlessly, okay, to the students kahit saan man sa mundo, magpa-UAE, magpa-Philippines man, around the globe.
Yeah, just to connect with that, no, before sinabi ni Miss Georgie a while ago that we're catering almost 1,500 students dito sa UAE. Let me just correct you. a little bit about that because we have students not just in the UAE, no, but across the Middle East. I remember in 2021 or 2022, we used to serve students from Qatar and Saudi. But for now, meron tayong estudyante na natira sa Oman, right? May mga estudyante tayo from Oman. And yung Woodlands International natin, no, Grace, you would know about this one. We're catering now to some parts of the Southeast Asian countries, like we're students in
Vietnam,
in Singapore, in Japan. Also, we have students coming directly from the United States and in
UK also,
in the United Kingdom. Yeah. So, anong curriculum ang available, Miss Grace?
Okay, dito po sa SRK, we actually offer 2 curricula. So, first one is the Philippine curriculum, which is aligned with the DepEd standards. And then the second one is our US curriculum. This is ideal for those who are planning to migrate in the United States soon.
Yeah, and also some Western countries. No?
Yes.
Just to give you a background also, we have students now na mga nag-aaral sa Canada, sa some European countries, no, United States was mentioned, no, may mga estudyante tayo na nakapag-transfer na successfully sa mga basic school education na nagpo-provide sa mga countries na nabanggit ko. Okay? And that is through the US curriculum offering that we are having here with SRK. So, ano-anong mga learning styles ang ino-offer natin dito sa SRK, Miss Van?
Alright, well, in SRK, we have these 3 major learning styles. First is what we call the on-site learning, or face-to-face learning, wherein learners will attend to the center based on the specific program approved by ACVET and the Philippine standard tailored to their specific requirements. We also have the virtual learning. Okay, this learning style is a way of delivering instructions to learners who are not physically present in the center. Okay, this approach allows our learner to participate and interact with their trainers and other learners as they utilize various forms of technology such as the Zoom, live Zoom classes, and of course with the help of our certified trainers to facilitate learning remotely. And lastly, we have the Pure Homeschool. This learning style naman po is a student-paced, wherein si parent po ang magtuturo kay student. But siya ang facilitate ng mga lessons. But for SRK, we provide complete materials and constant support and supervision na need the parent to facilitate quality learning at their own pace.
Yeah. So with this question, I just wanted to emphasize about our on-site program. No? Yung on-site program natin, this is where some of the questions would arise para sa mga parents na we are not a traditional school, but how come you were able to do the on-site face-to-face legally, no? Because here in Abu Dhabi, specifically dito sa Abu Dhabi, no, napaka-importanting alamin kung ano yung mga permit na ginagamit, no? And for us, dito sa SRK training centers natin, no, 3 ang meron tayo dito. We have branches in Electra, in Abu Dhabi, and in LA, no? Nakakapag-cater tayo because of our special permit coming from the Department of Economic Development and ACVET, no? About the supplementary education services, no? So, supplementary education services, it's somehow closest to the activity of tutorial service, no? Wherein yung mga naka-online distance learner natin, no, instead na naka-online lang sila, tsaka yung mga naka-pure homeschool natin, instead na sa bahay lang sila, no? They tend to get the instructions at saka yung program ng mga subjects na pinag-aaralan nila directly from our licensed teachers, no, through the training execution na ginagawa natin dito sa mga training centers natin. So that actually is the difference, no? Siguro if you would be checking on and comparing programs right now, no, I know that yan yung trabaho ng ibang mga parents ngayon, no? Talagang nagko-compare sila, nagche-check sila, no? And one of the best thing to check is the legality nung execution ng mga programs, no. And for SRK, no, hindi namin to itinatago. We are very much open to discuss it with you that we have acquired the right license and permit for us to be able to do that semi-traditional execution or yung tinatawag ngayon ng mga parents right after pandemic kasi naging popular tong term na to, yung face-to-face, di ba? Lagi yung question niya dito kapag mag-i-inquire, may face-to-face po ba kayo? Di ba? Parang ganyan. So, that's how we are doing it legally, with the binding from the proper authorities, and yung mga provider natin na nabanggit ni Teacher Joji kanina, of course, these are big institutions, like St. Paul University Manila, the Victory Elijah Christian Colleges. These are not SRK owned, although yung mga owned school natin are really prestige din, like the Angeli Gilbert Christian Academy, which has the permit from both the Department of Education and the Early Childhood Development Council in the Philippines. Plus yung newly acquired natin na Jesus the Risen Savior School International, which has a former Lasallian accreditation pa, di ba? So, yeah. So, going forward, ano naman yung mga extracurricular activities na ino-offer natin, Miss Grace? You've been involved with this from time immemorial, right?
Yes, since 2019. For the extracurricular activities here in SRK, aside from the monthly academic activities that we have, we are also having year-end concerts. Like last December, we had our year-end concert at Indian Islamic Center. And then students participated. Marami pong nanood actually. And then aside from the year-end concerts, we also have field trips. Of course, we want to show the kids what is the world outside. We also have Physical Education Day and also our this will be an annual event, our musical play, right, Sir Richard?
Yes.
Yes, because aside from our this year's Aladdin for our musical play, for the past 2 years, we had Alice in Wonderland and also Matilda. So with this plays or activities, students can enjoy and also hone their talents and skills. Hindi lang academically, but more than that pa.
Yeah, we call it a holistic approach to education. So with SRK Distance Education, we're not just after the curriculum, the standard curriculum, we're not just after the intellectual development of our students. Holistic meaning we're after with the emotional, with the social, with the talents na hinohone natin for each and every learner that is entering our institution. So thank you very much for that answer, Miss Grace. And for Miss Joji naman, qualified ba yung mga teachers natin dito? Kasi I think most of the parents would be asking, anong qualification ng mga teachers? Baka naman yan yung mga hindi graduate ng college or baka naman hindi qualified to teach. So ano ba yung mga qualifications ng mga teachers natin dito?
Yes, to answer your question, sir, yes. We are very much qualified and as part of SRK team, I'm very proud to say that all the trainers across the UAE po, are certified educators, sir. Majority of us are licensed teachers by the PRC or Professional Regulation Commission sa Pilipinas po. Majority, like others have earned their master's degree also, sir. And while some of the staff also still pursuing their master's level, sir.
Yeah. Actually, part of the commitment that we have here at SRK is for the continuous education talaga ng mga staff. Yeah. Kaya nga, di ba, you remember one of the requirement, especially for the leadership team, is for you to be able to finish your postgraduate degrees. So, we are promoter of education, quality education. So, kaya tayo mismo, kailangan talagang continuously we seek knowledge, And kailangan talaga tuloy-tuloy natin yang gawin, for us to be able to give more. Kasi kapag na-stuck tayo, wala na tayong maituturo bago sa mga estudyante natin.
Yeah, if I may add also, Dr. Richard po, to those professional teachers po who would have planned to join us to be part of our team po, welcome po kayo, especially this coming academic year, 2024. If you want to join and be part of us, send lang po kayo ng CV sa amin with our HR. Magkakaroon po siya ng screening, review with the CVs, and then we'll be doing the initial interview conducted by the HR, followed by the demo teaching, and then second interview with the level supervisors and department heads as well.
Yeah, you can check our website, no? More of
Yes.
this requirement in our website. Okay, so ilang estudyante ang meron tayo, Miss Van, sa bawat class? I think this is an important
Yes.
question din sa mga parents natin. Most of the parents would ask, ilan ba ang estudyante na kinikater nyo sa mga training rooms nyo? Kasi I think this has been one of the challenge ng mga parents na galing sa ibang provider, di ba? Na parang how are they counting their students per class, kasi that would equally somehow balance also to the number of educators or teachers that is available per training classroom.
For our on-site or face-to-face classes within the training room, sir, this is edge naman natin among other providers. So, kasi we opted to have, the maximum number of students is from 15 to
students.
16.
Students.
Max na yung 16.
Max na yun, di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Pag bigger room naman. Okay? So, depende kung anong size. Pero 16 talaga is the most appropriate number, okay, of students within the class. Even sa virtual classes, sir.
So online naman ilan yan? Virtual classes natin.
Virtual classes would sometimes go up to 15. Pinaka-max na yun talaga siya. So, 10 to 15.
Yeah, minimum of 10 students naman for our online classes.
We opted to have this less number of students or learners sa isang class so that we can cater the needs of all learners and to be consistent also in giving the quality education.
Yes. So yun, mga parents, no, that has been one of the best thing siguro na ma-experience ng mga anak nyo when they will be enrolling in one of our classes here with SRK. Kasi talagang sobrang minimum lang yung number of students na kaya siguro year by year nadadagdagan yung mga enrollees namin kasi we've been able to set that as a standard, no? Even some of our competitors siguro ngayon ganun na yung ginagawa. And for me, it's a good thing kasi at least no, we are setting standards for the Filipino community. Kung ginagaya man ng ibang mga competitions to, hindi naman tayo makikinabang lang nito, pati yung buong Filipino community. Kasi at the end of the day, we cannot cater everyone here in our center. So if that has been the standard outside, no, right after we started it, then it's really a benefit and a plus for the Filipino community. So, yes. Next question is for Ms. Van again. Ano-ano ang mga requirements para sa mga new students at saka sa mga transferring students natin?
Okay, so this is the most common requirements, no? For basic income advanced level students, sir. Since hindi pa naman sila registered sa LIS ng DepEd or what we call the Learners Information System. So technically, wala pa po talaga silang LRN or Learners Reference Number, which is kailangan talaga yung pag nag-grade 1, pag they will go to the primary level na. Okay, so the basic requirement are like the copy of birth certificate ng bata, then passport, visa, and Emirates ID, both ng student and si parents. Now, for new students who will be incoming, level 1 to level 12, so upon registration, kailangan po nila na may original copy po sila na tinatawag natin na SF10 or formerly known as yung Form 137 or permanent record. Okay, so manggagaling ito sa previous school nila. Okay, and we also need the report card and the good moral certificate from previous school as well.
Yeah. For the SF10 na sinasabi ni Ms. Van and the good moral certificate, we can actually assist you kasi some schools would not give it to you directly to the parents' hand. So, minsan may mga schools na idinidiretso to dun sa mga receiving schools. So, we are providing din po mga request letters, no? For you to be able to send to the previous school ng mga anak nyo. And yun, directly na po yun sinesend dun sa mga partner schools natin sa Pilipinas. Or, kung ipadadala sa inyo, well and good, no? Marireceive din namin siya directly from your hand. Okay, so Miss Georgie, may kailangan bang bilhin na gamit sa eskwela ang mga parents na may anak na i-enroll with us?
Yes, nakakatuwa, Doc Chard, kasi nakaka-join ako ng mga organization ninyo, no, from the past years po na nagkakanda kayo ng virtual orientation. So ito yung talaga frequent asked question during your orientation, no? So meron bang materials na kailangan dalhin?
We call it things to bring before.
Yes, things to bring, no? So my answers are two, no? No po, for the learning resources, include no na po kasi included na po yon sa binabayaran or babayaran ninyo kapag kayo po ay bayad ng full down payment ng tuition fee for that school year or for that academic year po And then yes, for the daily needs like yung backpack, kailangan niyo pong i-provide yon, backpack, snack box po ng anak niyo, water bottles and hygiene kit. Yan.
So, the simple answer is that all the things to bring, including yung mga pencils, mga notebooks, colors, mga projects, lahat po yan ay provided ng SRK.
Included na po.
Kasi gusto namin gawing worry-free ang execution ng ating mga programs dito sa SRK. That's how we do it. About the uniforms naman, Miss Grace, may uniform ba tayo? Is it required? Is it mandatory? And kung meron man, paano mag-a-avail? Saan tayo bibili ng uniform?
Okay. Actually, sir, pagdating sa uniform, hindi naman talaga siya required, no, for all of the viewers. Pero we highly encourage na magsuot yung mga students natin ng may tatak SRK. So, for the uniforms, yes, we have uniforms available po. And how to order, marami pong nagtatanong yan, paano ba umorder? We're proud to say na you can easily order through our SRK Edu app. Just download and then sign in. Especially sa mga existing clients na po ni SRK, you can just download and sign in your account. And then go to the merchandise or tap the merchandise icon po pagpasok nyo sa ating app. And then from there, you can browse yung different uniforms like jackets, polo shirt, and pants na available po. And for better fit, we suggest that you can visit us here in our center, no? Mapa Dubai, Al Ain, or Abu Dhabi pa po yan. You may visit us para po ma-fit nyo talaga before you order sa app.
So yung SRK Education application natin, I think we're arguably again, we are the first distance education provider who have that na available dun sa both the Google Play and iOS store, no. So yan, medyo ginawa na namin talagang tech-based ang execution ng lahat ng process natin dito, no, including yung pag-order ng uniforms para headache-free tayo parehas. Kami at saka kayo ding mga parents na mag-join with us. Okay, how about transportation? Meron ba tayong transportation, Ms. Van?
Yes, we do have, sir. So, we provide an affordable, convenient, and safe transportation services across all centers. So, in Abu Dhabi branch, we have the transportation services for Electra, for Hamdan branch, and for SRK Nursery in Al-Bana. And as well as in Dubai and Al Ain branch. For this, sa mga interesado po, you may contact or approach each branch admins. Okay, dito po sa Hamdan, pwede nyo pong i-contact si Sir Marlon o kaya si Ms. Charlotte. For Electra, si Sir Reden. And for Al Ain, si Ms. Charity. And in Dubai, si Ms. Christine or Ms. Jackie, so that they can give you the full details about the transportation services.
Yeah, the transportation services is very limited po.
Yes.
Yeah, we wanted to cater for everyone, but since growing yung number, 1,500 po tayo for this school year. And I think some numbers between 1,800 to 2,000 yung magiging next set of student numbers natin na magkakaroon tayo dito sa SRK. So, with that big and huge amount of students, hindi pa talaga natin kayang i-cater lahat. So, kaya first come, first serve pa rin yung transportation service natin. Okay. So, ano-ano naman yung mga discounts na available, Miss Georgie? Meron ba? Ayan yung mga questions di ba, ng mga parents. So, kapag ba nagbayad ako ng full, anong discount ko? 3-4 ang anak ko, meron bang discount po yun? Kasi sobrang dami Kahit na mura yung tuition fee sa SRK, parang feeling ko hindi ko pa rin kaya. So, Miss Georgie?
Yes, I'm sure matutuwa talaga ang mga parents po sa good news po na ibibigay ng SRK. Yes, we do have po. We have referral fee which is 100 dirhams, sir. We also have siblings discount which costs 500 dirham per child. No? And we also have, dahil nga open na rin po, no? Open kami for registration for the upcoming school year. So, if you're interested po to have more and bigger discount talaga, so we also have the 1,000 dirhams, sir, na
Wow.
less doon sa tuition fee if they're gonna pay full tuition for the academic year.
Napakalaki ng 1,000 dirhams,
For the
di
parents.
ba?
So, enroll na po at avail na ng discount ng SRK.
Yes.
Actually, just to add up more about the siblings discount, hindi lang mo matatapos sa 500 dirhams yun. Kapag ang anak nyo ay 3 or 4 pa, you can contact directly si Miss Charlotte, yung admin po namin, and she'll be able to give you more discounts pa kapag 3 o 4 ang mga anak. Kasi alam natin talaga yung struggle di ba? Nung pag-keep ng 3 o 4, na maximum natin 4 na estudyante talaga yung ini-enroll. May mga families na naka-enroll sa atin na 4 ang anak talaga dito sa SRK. And at time being, meron pang 5 ata. Parang ganun, may sinerve tayo na 5 yung naka-enroll sa atin. So yeah, this discount system would be able to help you augment your financial challenges, no? I hope that this would somehow assist you, no? Para po mas makatulong kami na makip niyo yung family ties niyo dito pero mapag-aral niyo pa rin sila sa quality school.
Yes.
Pwede pa bang mag-enroll, Miss Grace? Until when ba yung cut-off ng enrollment natin?
Ang sagot ko dyan, sir, pwedeng-pwede. Well, actually, as of December 27 last year, nag-start na po tayo ng reservation and enrollment process po natin. So, yung mga hindi pa po nakakapagpa-reserve, mapa-verbal po man yan, yung mga nandito na po sa SRK na parents, please, approach na po ang mga admin natin, no? For Abu Dhabi, Hamdan, nandito po si Miss Charlotte. For Abu Dhabi Electra, si Sir Reden, and then for Al Ain, Miss Charity. Miss Charity for Al Ain. And then Dubai, si Miss Christine or si Miss Jack po, no? We can inform them in advance if we wish to continue. Especially, ang tanong hanggang kailan daw po, no? Maraming nagtatanong, when is the last day of enrollment? Ang sagot po dito, mga mommy, daddy, until meron pa pong slot tayo dito sa SRK. And pag naubos na po, naku, maraming magchat-chat sa iyo, Sir Richard. Pag naubos na, ang sasabing, Sir, wala ka na po bang extra pa? Pwede pa po bang ihabol? Yan po lagi, yes. Kaya ang ending, minsan napapabukas po kami ng mga classes because of mga nalilate po sila, no? So, please, kung interested po talaga to enroll in SRK, start your enrollment and reservation process now. And then for the payments, ayan, for sure sasakit ang utak po ng mga parents na usually, paano ba kami magbabayad? Paano ba? So, ganito lang po yan, no? We have different payment options for you. You can always pay through our SRK Edu app. Hindi lang po siya for uniforms. Marami po tayong makikita doon sa ating SRK Edu app. Then you can also do bank transfer. If you're familiar with bank transfer, pwede rin po yun. Pwede po tayong magbayad din in person ng cash payments natin sa mga reception dito po sa SRK centers across all the branches. Pwede po kayong mag-tap ng debit or credit card payment nyo through our POS machine. And of course, eto po yung mga nagtatanong, meron po ba kayong Tabi! Favorite po yan here in UAE right now, no? Si Tabi, na paboritong puntahan ng mga gustong may bilhin. Pero hindi pa available yung pera nila, no? Pwede na rin po tayo magtabi. So, ang gagawin lang po natin, inform lang po natin si admin na you will be using Tabi as your payment. Pwede na po.
Yes. So, napakadaming payment options na ginawa natin dito sa SRK. And yes, going back to the question, kung pwede na bang mag-enroll, pwede na. And unfortunately, no, this is a very unfortunate problem for us.
Yes.
We will not be expanding in terms of property for this school year, no? Since I think we maximize already our capacity, and for us to be able to serve everyone better, we opted not to add more properties for this school year. Meaning, kung ano lang po yung capacity namin last year for the on-site students would be the same capacity that we'll be having right now. And to be honest po, we are semi-full for this school year. No? We will be adding siguro mga dito sa Abu Dhabi, mga 4 to 5 classroom at the max. Tapos sa Al Ain, siguro mga 2 or 3 classes lang yung madadagdag. And in Abu Dhabi, in Dubai po, unfortunately, we're still looking for a bigger place to house yung ating facility doon. Pero as of the moment, as we talk, no, wala pa po tayo nakikita. Kaya talagang we will be only catering to like around 10 to 20% ng increase ng enrollment natin from last year. So, yun lang yung kaya nating i-accommodate for now. Kaya nga, kung kayo po ay decided with SRK, no, especially dun sa mga existing parents natin, come and reserve your slot for your kids today. Ngayon na po. So, 500 dirhams lang naman po ang hinihingi ng admin natin for the reservation. And that 500 will not go anywhere. Hindi po yun mapupunta sa bulsa ni Sir Richard kasi yun po ay ibabawas sa down payment na babayaran nyo po prior to the school opening. So, hindi po yun masasayang. So, ang maganda po doon is that na-secure na yung slot ng anak nyo and mababawas po siya doon sa magiging total fees na babayaran nyo for the school year. Okay? And sino yung mga contact persons natin, Miss Joji, kung meron silang katanungan?
Yes, actually nabanggit na both ni Miss Van and Miss Grace kanina. Ito talaga ang medyo, aside from Doc Richard and Ma'am Frances, sila yung mga next to them, ng mga sikat at laging mga go-to person ng, ng SRT training centers po. So we have lots of accommodating admins ready to assist you anytime from 7 to 5 p.m. po, For our Hamdan branch, we have Sir Ian, Miss Charlotte. For our Electra branch, we have Sir Reden and Miss Judith. For our Al Ain, we have Miss Charity and Miss Sylvette. For our Dubai branch, we have Miss Christine and Miss Jack.
Okay, so we're coming up with the final part nitong ating vlog for today. Would just like to ask the three of you ladies here for the final question. After yung mga na-discuss natin about the program in itself, ano sa tingin niyo yung pinaka-competitive advantage natin dito sa SRK? And how is SRK distance education in the Middle East different from other providers? Parang this would be the question for all those parents who are not yet decided with us na somehow they will be able to make their decision after this, after watching this vlog. Miss Van.
Alright, sir. So most parents, they have found SRK the safe haven for their children in terms of quality education and flexible learning options that we have. So the personalized approach, the comprehensive curriculums that we have, and the quality of teaching and care of our trainers, dedicated trainers natin, make SRK the top choice for most Filipino families in the UAE and around the globe. So its ability to adapt the needs for each learner, provide a supportive learning environment, has made it a popular option. Popular talaga. For many parents, that's why you have to choose SRK Training Center LLC because it's your second home
in the UAE. Yes.
The famous tagline of SRK.
I coined that tagline. Yeah. Miss Georgie.
Yes, sir. Choosing SRK education, distance education for your child offers both quality education and cost efficiency, with our carefully crafted training programs, experienced educators, and conducive training facilities, we ensure that your child receives a high-quality education tailored to their needs. So ano pa pong inaantay ninyo? Join us, be part of SRK Education and our growing community for a rewarding education experience, prioritizing excellence and affordability.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Georgie. Miss Grace?
Actually, sir, nakaka-pressure na, Kasi talagang nasabi na nila lahat ng adjective ba? Description na magandang-maganda no, about SRK. But siguro, one thing that I will always remember about why SRK for the parents, it's the customer service. Kasi iba po talaga from the things that I'm hearing from the parents, even po sa mga nababasa ko rin, personally from the online communities, no? Iba po ang feedback talaga nila with how the management, the teachers, the staff, kung paano talaga nila ibigay yung service, i-handle yung mga students, even yung simpleng pagre-reply sa parents. Number 1 po ata talaga ang SRK dyan. And then pag meron tayong mga concern po, no, sa dami-dami na po ng binigay namin kanina, lahat po yun nabuo, yung mga payment methods na napakarami, lahat po yun nabuo because of our clients kasi we want to give what is best, which is para kaming BDO. Diba? We find ways, or SM, we've got it all for you. So, I think, the remarkable thing na additional lang, no, is the customer service of SRK. Walang katulad.
Yes. So, thank you very much, ladies, for joining me today in our second episode for this vlog that we are doing for SRK. And yes, to sum up, no, I hope that all the parents out there were able to capture the important aspects of why you need to choose SRK Distance Education Middle East as the top choice for education provider para sa mga anak ninyo. And I will be conducting personally mga program orientations, journey of orienting all the new parents, no? And yung mga possible pa na mag-join with us para din mas detailed yung magiging information na ibibigay namin sa inyong lahat. So, ano pang iniintay nyo? Join us with SRK and mag-inquire na po, no? Tawag na po kayo, bumisita na po kayo sa mga branches natin para hindi po kayo maubusan ng slot. Kasi katulad nga ng sinabi ni Miss Grace kanina, here dito sa SRK kasi we keep our commitment of just giving that numbers, no? Talagang hanggat as much as possible, yun lang po yung kaya namin i-cater. Yun lang po yung i-cater namin. So, kaya po kung meron na kayong decision about joining us, be part of our community today. Magandang umaga po sa lahat, or magandang hapon, or gabi, kung saan mang parte kayo nandun ngayon. This is again, Doc Chard. See you next episode of my vlog. Thank you!